Depending on the design of your print, it may be necessary to create support to hold the model during the printing process. If the part has bridge, overhangs, or steep angles, we will need to generate supports. To activate the automatic generation of support, enable the Generate Support option and click on Prepare. From the layer viewer, you will see the support material. Once the supports are activated, click on the Information button to display the hidden parameters. The Support Extruder option allows you to modify the head with which the part supports will be printed. By default, the same head with which the part will be printed is selected. You can use the second head to print the support using soluble materials such as PVA or VVOH. The next parameter, Support Placement, lets you determine where the supports will be generated. This could be placing them anywhere, including support on the part itself or only on those which will be in contact with the build plate. Finally, you can set the distance between the support material and the part. The preset distance ensures that the part can be printed properly and removed easily. If you use soluble materials for the support, such as PVA or BVOH, it will not leave any gap from the part. The surface finish will be perfect, and the material will remove easily when dissolved in water. BCN3D Cura allows you to configure many parameters, which you can enable from the tab Settings, Settings Visibility, Enable All, or by clicking on the settings icon of each parameter. In the BCN3D knowledge base, you will find detailed information on how to adjust each parameter, with tips according to the materials and hardness you want to use.